So based on what you're describing, it's kind of like a nurturing email sequence, right? So like let's dive into that. Like there's different levels of nurturing emails. There's like the 30 emailed, one per day, to your point, giving education every single day. There's the five email onboarding to say, hey, you made a connection, you downloaded something, and for the next 4 to 7 days, we'll send you emails to kind of help you understand who we are and what we're doing, and then we pitch.
Mhm.
Ideally, which is the best route to kind of take if you're going towards someone that you've never spoken to before?
If you've never spoken to someone before and you're putting out that content to get them to hand over their information, which is half the battle, I would immediately sift them into some sort of welcome series. So set up maybe 3 to 5 emails of just introducing your company or you, depending on what you're doing, and explaining not what you do so much versus how you got there, but also going into why you started this and why you're helping people solve a problem or just improve their life, whatever kind of business you're doing. And then the next 3 or 4 emails, I would say to just kind of tell them how you're helping them more, drop in your services here and there, but don't just leave it as you need to buy from me today so I can help you do this. You want to say, here's why I'm helping people. Here's what customers have to say about me.
Mm,
And here's why you might be interested. So if you want to have a conversation, great. If not, stay tuned for more information.
okay.
And I would just keep it simple and general.